Good morning. We're out here today doing some ice fishing finally. Got the Livescope. And watch that. Holy crap. I love this. We actually can't go wrong sitting anywhere out here. We're probably set up right here though. And this open area. Have a brand new spot. A lot of holes out here. It's like Swiss cheese. It is looking pretty good. 21 feet right here. Y'all know where this is. This is Seton. We usually fish in front of those docks out there during summertime. Got Isaac right here. I want to see if I can find Isaac on the screen. Keep jigging, Isaac. Oh yeah, there you go. I see you right there. Isaac's got the first one of the day. Nice little crappie. They're probably all about that size for now. Yep. A bunch of them on the bottom. But we'll get them. We'll get the big ones. Stay tuned. I'm so slow. Oh my god.
Oh, you got me.
I did?
Yep. Nope, never mind.
Dude, this is almost like a sunny crappie hybrid. First ice crappie on a Livescope that's set. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, it's a nice crappie. Scared me.
I don't know why you got lunch back.
Scared me, man. I didn't know how to handle this. This is a nice size for here. Thumbnail right here. Gotta show the whole thing. There we go. It's gold tungsten with 2 spikes.
This gold. Oh, I lost it.
Oh yeah. Oh dude, look at my bobber.
Going down.
Something's got it already.
You caught Sunny?
Yeah, that was a sunny.
Oh, really?
Oh my god. I have it. Pretty sure it's just the minnow moving. Dude, that's a good one.
Big one's like sticky back. Those come toward it. Crappie.
Oh, dude!
Tingler spoon.
It's a nice one. On a Tingler. It's a nice crappie on the Tingler. Perch color Tingler. I really love it. I'll go ahead and put links down below. Check it out. Yeah, dude. You got it.
Still going.
Damn, that's amazing. What the heck? What the heck?
You were kind of small as hell.
Really?
Yeah. You came up from all the way here.
Freaking damn sunny, man. are you catching the crappies, dude?
I'm using pink.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm using red too. Should work. I think it's the plastic.
There's two of them.
Oh, dude, I saw that whole thing, man.
Sunny, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, Crappie.
Oh my god. Big sunny, dude.
Hey, mine's longer.
That's what she said.
Shut the fuck up.